some of the signatories of this particular motion even argued in the context of last year's finance bill that the USC should be at least dramatically reduced, if not abolished. Now, that would be an assault on lower-paid people in this country who depend on the public services that the universal social charge supports day in and day out. Now, you're entitled to express concerns about the way in which you're entitled to express concerns about the way in which
women's pension. You stood on the
Chair,
innocent women in this country.
I would appreciate it if you would call these members to order. They are as short on manners as they are on evidence-based policy.
Rowdy Dáil will tell you the truth. You might like to hear it.
Ladies and gents,
there'll
be an opportunity to reply in due course.
I'm assuming that I'll have the opportunity to use the time that I have been apportioned.
Ladies and gentlemen,
hardly working people, my eye.
I won't take lectures from the millionaires' offices who couldn't give a toss about low-income families in this country and are using this motion opportunistically. We know they've always been opposed to carbon tax, and that is fair enough. But don't pretend you're on the side of working people.
Deputy Nash, without interruption, please. The ruling.